Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Lovable to your Supabase account step by step. If you are using Lovable AI to generate user data or content or want to store that directly into a Supabase database, this integration is super useful. Whether you are building an automation or a custom workflow, this setup will save you a lot of time. So let's get started. So to do that, just go to the website lovable.dev. Now here you can find a lot of workspace template, but we are not going to do that. So what we are here for, we are connecting our Supabase. So what do you have to do? Just click on this Supabase and create a organization here. You can do that from here, or if you want, then you can do from here. Like you can see here is the Supabase and add organization. You can do all of this from both of these places, but I will prefer to do from here because this is the official site of Supabase. So I'm just creating a new one. I have already one. So give it a name and select the type of your organization and go for the pricing plan. So I'm going to free and just create organization. Now write your password, select your country, and just create this project. You can see our project is created. So just keep it as it is here. Now let's say this is the project for you. This is the workspace, and you can see here is the Supabase icon. Just click over here. Now click on this connect Supabase. With the selecting Supabase, just click on this connect a project. Now you will find the project and you can add the project we have created. Which one is the easy access tag? You can see from here. Just select the one which one you want to integrate with this and click on this authorize lovable. So your Supabase is connected with your lovable AI. And from now, whatever you will do on this lovable AI, it will be stored in Supabase database, and you can check that from here. You can see, you can we didn't create anything, so this is showing 0, but you can see your database from here. So basically this is how you can connect your Supabase dashboard or Supabase database with lovable AI. So if you think this video was help you, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.